zako zote, na chochote Bwana ambayo amekupa, do it your best. I am one person when you see me here. I was not a mathematician. My husband was. I told him I tried, but I did not get anything. It's like my head was big. When it came to the mathematics, I was not getting it. And the teacher is telling me, do mathematics, do chemistry. Those were not my subjects. I think I got a 9 or a 8 those days. So you see, I was sikupenda kwangu, haikuwa inaingia. But I was very good in English. Very good in English. In conversation, in doing whatever I was trying. So whatever you do, frame your life. Don't just sit there and do nothing.